Hello and welcome to the How To Automotive YouTube channel. Today I'm making this video about a request that I get all the time, which is how much parts and labor are for some of these repairs on the videos I make. And a lot of these videos I make months in advance or months ago, and so I don't remember the parts and prices and stuff like that. So for the best way I can help you guys out is by recommending a website to you guys. It's called RepairPal. So you'll do a Google search for repairpal.com. Click on their website, and when you click on their website, it's going to ask you a few basic questions like a zip code and year, make, model. And so you're going to type in year, make, model on the screen. And once you got that entered in, it'll ask what type of repair you want to do. So you'll type in repair, what type of repair, such as a timing belt, water pump, brake job, whatever, or starter, whatever it is that you want to do. And then what it does is it gives you an estimate of parts and labor for all the shops in the area that's part of this RepairPal program. So as you just saw on the screen, I typed in a zip code, a make for a car, the year, a model, and now I'm going to type in the type of repair that I want. So I'm going to enter in timing belt and get a quote for a timing belt. So I'll click on timing belt and I'll click get estimate. And what it's going to do is it's going to search for the zip code area that I entered in. And this is the low price and the high range, $600 to $900 for this car in this area. So now if you want to, you can scroll down and find a shop, schedule an appointment, or find a repair, like parts place where you can buy the parts. It all has that available here in the website. So RepairPal is a service. And these shops have to register with it and be approved by RepairPal to be even qualified for this. And they come and inspect the shops, make sure that the shops are using the best tools, the best parts, and that they qualify for the program. So it's not just any shop that you're going to get recommended to. And if you can use it for that, or you can just use it for the parts and labor, just a general ballpark of what the parts and labor are going to be. So that way, if you're quoted by one shop, you can kind of verify that, yes, this is the going rate in this particular area that I live in. And yes, I'm good to go to do this repair. So next time you have a question about labor rates and parts, I recommend you try a RepairPal out. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.